So I'm going to show you how to pop up the roof, which has a bed up there, and then likewise how to pull it down as well. So really simple system. You have these latches, just release one side and that allows it to pull through. So do the same on both sides. These are just the security straps. Once you've released them, because it's hydraulic assisted, as soon as you give it a bit of push, you'll see it takes the weight itself. That is all there is to setting up the roof. If you're not using the bed, this platform, you can lift that up, which gives you a lot more room to stand up and actually use the vehicle. So this is, I guess the only time you'd pull down the mattress would be A, when you're sleeping up there, and B, if you were storing stuff up there. But more often than not, you're likely to keep this up just to give you the freedom to actually stand around and walk inside the vehicle. So that's that. There's not really a lot to it. When it comes to pulling it down, it's a little bit more detailed. Not much, but just a few things you have to think about. So the way we encourage everyone to pull down the roofs is, if you can, grab the handles right at the top, these ones, grab and pull. If not, they've got these straps that hang below, and I'll move that out of the way so you can see. But these are the handles here, and the straps are here as well. So if you're a little bit smaller and you need you can use these, that's what they're there for. Right, so mattress goes down, or platform, whatever you call it. Pull the top of the roof down, use your weight to bring it down, and what we always do is get about 90% of the way there, so it's not fully closed, and at that point you just want to grab the sides of the wall and pull them in. It's about there, roughly, give or take. You just feel it's not going to go straight up, and then you literally are just grabbing the tent material, grabbing it and pulling it in, and you're just looking down the end of the bed just to make sure nothing's being pinched. All we're trying to do is just prevent the canvas material being caught when it's fully closed. So you don't have to do too much, just pull it in a little bit, quick check. So that's the side, and then do the same again with the front. So while you're pulling it down, it just doesn't have to be perfect, just pull it out of the way, and then once you're confident with that, just finish the close. Give it a good pull, that puts it in position. If you want to be diligent just to check you haven't caught anything, you can do a walk around the vehicle. Any canvas that is caught will be obvious because it will be showing on the outside, but let's just assume you've got it all right, because it's not hard to do. It's all in, and then all we're doing is these extra bits of canvas here I've just rolled up and tucked away. I'm not stuffing it in, not doing anything too brutal with it. It's literally just a case of getting it out of the way to allow me to do the straps. And then lastly, with the straps, thread them through underneath and then give it a good yank just to secure that. And likewise, we're going to do the same on the other side. It's just a safety precaution to stop the roof catching when you're driving and popping up. So as long as these are done up, that combined with the weight of the vehicle, or the roof rather, you won't have any problems. But that's all there is to it. Nice and easy. It's not too complicated. As long as nothing gets caught on the outside, these tents last for absolutely ages.